Yes, welcome back children. We are starting the assignment video recording for the age, reaching the age of adolescence from class 8, that is for the fourth week. Assignment based videos. Okay? In this part we are going to discuss the exercise. First MCQ. There are 8 MCQ questions. You must know about it. First MCQ question is, which of this process in the body is controlled by hormone? So hormones control growth, reproduction and other metabolic activities. So the option here given is the growth. Growth is controlled by the hormone. Okay, particularly growth hormone secreted from pituitary gland. Growth hormone secreted from pituitary gland control the growth. So the first answer of the MCQ. I have not written MCQ options, only question I have written. So I will be telling you the answer. All of you understand this? Answer point and plus additional explanation. Okay? So the first question, which of these process in the body is controlled by hormone? Hormone control growth, reproduction and many other activities. Of this growth is option. Okay? So growth is the answer. Now the second one, which of this is not a gland of endocrine system? Which of this is not a gland of endocrine system? You know the endocrine glands, you know that pancreas, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, testis, ovaries, all these are endocrine glands. But in the text it is given penis. So penis is not a endocrine gland. It is only a secondary sex organ. Okay? So second answer is penis. Which of this is not a gland of endocrine system? Penis. Okay? Now third one. Which of this is called the master gland in our body? You know that pituitary gland located at the base of the brain. Located at the base of the brain is called the master gland. So pituitary gland located at the base of the brain is called the master gland. Why a pituitary gland is called a master gland? Because pituitary glands control the secretions from other glands. Can you tell me two hormones secreted by pituitary gland? GH, growth hormone, plus TSH, thyroxine stimulating hormone. Thyroxine stimulating hormone. These are the two hormones secreted by pituitary gland. These hormones control other glands. So pituitary gland is called master gland. Clear? Everybody is clear? Very clear. Now fourth question, which combination of sex chromosome is present in female? Everybody knows the female has XX sex chromosome. In males it is XY. Keep in mind. So XX is the sex chromosome combination present in females. Now fifth question, the stage at which body is capable of reproduction is called puberty. Puberty. What is puberty? The stage at which body is capable of reproduction. In female, the puberty is marked by first menstruation. What is the first menstruation called? Menarche. MENARCH. Okay, you got that. So now the sixth question. Pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain. You have to keep in mind, you can also say the brain, no problem. But at the base of the brain, that is the given point here. Okay? So pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain. Seventh question. Which hormone control metamorphosis in frog? That is interesting question. Thyroxine. Thyroxine is the hormone that controls metamorphosis in frog. What is metamorphosis? The drastic changes through which a larva become an adult is called metamorphosis. You can see metamorphosis in frog, cockroach, then houseflies, mosquitoes, all have a metamorphosis. They have larvae, okay? Larvae is different from the adult. So larvae is a unique organism. They will undergo many changes and finally the adult, which is entirely different from the larvae, is formed. So the drastic changes through which a larvae undergo metabolic changes. The larvae undergo changes into adult is called metamorphosis. Thyroxine helps in the metamorphosis in frog. Clear? Very clear. But thyroxine in human body control growth and development of our body. I mean physical and mental growth. Thyroxine. Now, 8th one. Which of these is not a secondary sex character? Release of testosterone. It is a primary sex character. Primary sex character means, producing sex hormone and sex cells from ovary and testis. Ovary produces egg or ovum, that is the sex cell, female sex cell. Now, testis produce the male sex cell, sperms. Then again, testis produce a hormone called testosterone. Then female ovary produces two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. All these are the primary sex character. But here secondary sex character is this is primary sex character. So first question, you can see growth is the answer. Second, which of this is not a gland of endocrine system? Penis. The third one, which of this is called master gland, pituitary gland? Which combination of sex chromosome is present in female XX? The stage at which body capable of reproduction is called puberty. The sixth one, pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain. Seventh one, which hormone control metamorphosis of thyroxine? Then last, which of this is not a secondary sex character? Release of testosterone. You got this? Very clear.